Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox when you see the error, not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. But before we start, hurry up and check out the offer just under this video. Let's get started. Now, if you're getting this issue, there are a few things you need to know. Different Roblox accounts have different permissions. For players under 13, your account usually has more restrictions. That means you may not be able to join certain experiences. So, if your account is under 13, you'll need a parent to adjust your settings. Ask them to log in, then click the gear icon at the top right and go to Settings. On the left side, select Parental Controls. Scroll down to Content Restrictions and under Content Maturity, set it to Minimal or Mild. This allows you to access more experiences. But if you're 13 or older, you can change this yourself after verifying your age. To do this, click Settings again, then go to Account Info. Here, under Birthday, you'll see an option to verify your age. Once verified, restrictions are removed and you should be able to join. And that's it. That's how you fix the Roblox privacy settings. Error that says, not authorized to join this experience. If you want a full walkthrough on verifying your age, check out the other tutorial on our channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and watch our next video.